Let me ask you something. Why is it that some men don't even try, yet women can't stop thinking about them? No chasing, no over-texting, no pretending, and yet, obsession. It's not looks, it's not money, and it's definitely not cheesy pickup lines. It's psychology, and today, I'll break it down. Here's the first truth most people miss. Women don't get obsessed with people. They get obsessed with how they feel around them. If you make her feel something, curiosity, excitement, safety, mystery, her mind keeps replaying you when you're not there. That's why boring consistency kills attraction, not stability, predictability. When conversations feel alive, when she doesn't know exactly what you'll say next, her brain stays engaged. Emotion beats logic every single time. Now, here's where most guys mess up. They hear "be unavailable" and turn into a ghost. That doesn't create obsession. It creates confusion. What actually works is selective availability. You show up fully when you're there, but your life doesn't revolve around her. You have goals. You have priorities. You don't drop everything just to reply instantly. Scarcity signals value. Not because you're playing games, but because your life actually matters. This one is powerful and underrated. Women become deeply attached to men who combine emotional safety with inner strength. You listen without trying to fix. You stay calm when she's emotional. You don't get defensive. You don't beg for validation. That grounded presence tells her, this man can handle life, and me. That's rare. And rarity fuels obsession. One last thing. Women don't obsess over men who want them too much. They obsess over men who want them, but don't need them. Desire without dependency is magnetic. If this changed the way you see attraction, hit like, subscribe for more psychology-based content, and comment "psychology" if you want a part 2 on what instantly kills attraction